Very well done. Okay. And how you like your steak to cook? Well done, too. Thank you. How you like your steak to cook?
Well done.
Well done. Okay.
Medium rare.
Medium rare. Yeah. Whoop. There you go. Okay, right. Hey. Whoop. Wow. Yummy. That inside. Whoop. Seafood and one thing to sauce. Yummy side. Hey, ooh, the danger side. Danger side. Yummy. Somebody. Whoop. Seafood and ginger. Yeah, one for me, one for the seafood. Thank you. Money. Woo. Wow, thank you. Happy day. The day is my day. Happy day. Watch the fire, the fire. That's all right. Time, like a baby. You can try catch one. All for your milk, the cat, the chain. The boy, the catching. What the day? Need a high one, right? One more time. One the day. The child, have a boy. Get them. One the day. Good job. Bà trẻ lắm anh nhiều vùng nhé gặp trai nhiều vùng nhé gió mơ quá mất trai đừng theo xe one two đi gừng nhé gặp trai one two đi almost là one nhé tôi ai chứ đã bơi gặp trai trẻ lắm anh bừng nhé the child something up pretty good now you are ready that's good you make dinner madam buddy paper my fire good not fire what to do I will I want to buy you yummy. Ice cream visible. Oh my God! Thank you. Yummy day. Thank you for that. Yeah. Put it in. You. Perfect. Whoop. Yeah, that's right. Ice cream night. Garlic butter. Nice, better. Hey, put that there. Ice cream night. Wow, Saki night. Yummy. Okay. Bye. Yummy. Very hard right. Very hard right. Right? Yeah. Yummy nice. Yummy nice. Thank you. Yummy nice. Yummy, look at big rice, right? There you go. Yummy. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, oh, lama pa yung mga kita ko. Make na ni. Love to do. Yeah, gonna get love to do, Chef. Good. Okay. Yeah, gonna get good. Love to do. Yeah. I think. Lagi. Ate nabi. Sagi-sagi, kecil-kecil, mapari mas sagi-sagi. Oh, punya mas. Closer, sagi-sagi punya. Gede, sagi-sagi, gede. Sagi-sagi.
Waro.
Happy.
Waro. Saki-saki.
Sagi-sagi, yeah, no. Oh, good guy.
Ah. Waro.
Happy, yeah.
Thank you.
Last time for you, alright? Later. Love to do. Thank you so much. Love to do, right? Yeah. Bye, good day, Sunday.